past the headlines. Let's build a portfolio around you. If you keep doing what you've been doing, you may keep getting the same results. Call 949-0900 for Mosaic Wealth Management in Grand Rapids.
Securities offered to LPL Financial, member FINRA SIPC, Mosaic Wealth Management.
Providing Midwest values with a global perspective.
Discount Home Improvement.
In both stores, you'll see 1,200 new kitchen cabinets.
Very, very cost effective. We got prices that are lower than we've checked every place else and just gone around and done a lot of shopping, a lot of investigating and online and everything has just been great. Just great.
In Grand Rapids, it's corner Plainfield and Leonard. In Muskegon, corner of Seaway and Sherman. Discount Home Improvement. Discount Home Improvement.
If you know the value of good machines, then it's high time we got together. We're Bailey Industrial, builders of metal and woodworking equipment. Hard-working machines for hard-working people. We stand behind our equipment and make sure our equipment stands behind you. Offering you the after-sales support you need to keep your shop running smoothly, which means making sure you have what you need when you need it. Typically shipping within 72 hours or less. So whether you're a fabricator or manufacturer of metal or wood products, go to Bailey.com or call 920-MACHINE and we'll send you a catalog. That's right, friend. Over 400 pages of what you love most, machines. So whatever you're looking to build or manufacture, do it with Bailey Industrial, the company you can trust to give you the equipment and service you can rely on. That's BAILEIGH. Bailey, because if it's worth doing right, it's only right to do it with Bailey. So call 920-MACHINE or go to Bailey.com now and pick up your free catalog.
How many people listening right now would love to co-host an hour on a statewide sports radio show to be heard all around the world? The Huge Showtime. Guess when the Miller Lite All-Star Week is when? Monday, July 10th through Friday, July 14th. I'm having listeners in each hour to Huge Show fans will join me to be my co-host. Now, if you want to be a Miller Lite All-Star, all you have to do is be a caller on air this week through Friday between 3 and 6 p.m. You'll go into the drawing. You have to be 21 years of age and up to drink Miller Lite and also be a Miller Lite All-Star co-host. It's simple. It's easy. This is your shot at the big time. Just be a caller on air. Monday through Friday this week between 3 and 6 on the Huge Show right here on 107.3 NGR. And you could be a Miller Lite All-Star co-host on the Huge Radio Network.
One good thing about perennials, they return every year. Another good thing, the Home Depot has 1 gallon varieties. Special buy for just $6.78. Regionally selected, so they're bred to thrive and guaranteed for a full year. Let them put down some roots and stay a while. Come next year, they'll return the favor. Again and again. 1 gallon perennials, a special buy at $6.78. Now at the Home Depot. More safe, more doing. Selection varies by store and U.S. only. Presents Even Cool. These seasonal fruits that cooking becomes a hot mess. Luckily, AutoZone carries a sealed refrigerant that helps restore cold air in only 10 minutes. Now get 20 ounces of AC Pro refrigerant with hose and gauge for just $34.99 after a $5 validity. So visit your local AutoZone. With over 5,000 locations, the right supplies and good advice are just around the corner. Let's get you what you need. See store for restrictions and details. Huge opinions and big name guests. The Huge Show, weekdays from 3 to 6 on 107.3 WBBL FM. West Michigan, to reach the Eric Zane Show, call 875-1073. Email eric@ericzaneshow.com or facebook.com/Eric Zane fan page. 875-1073. Tuesdays to sign up for WBBL.com.
Grand Coney Dog Eating Contest and the Miller Lite Field of Dreams game. Coney Dog, we're taking on Gravy's team from Hot FM. Field of Dreams game taking on Team Huge in a real baseball game, July 20th at Fifth Third Ballpark. Can't believe it's already almost